coaching thought for the day. This might sound stupid. Just be prepared. When I first started coaching, nothing would cause me more panic than when I would meet a student in the building and they would say, "Are you a teacher here?" I didn't know what to say, because it's like, well, I'm not a teacher with students, but I absolutely still have a teacher heart, but I'm not an administrator either. Like, it was just, I don't know. Maybe you can relate, maybe you can't. But for me, that was a difficult question. Here, 7 years in to this position, here's how I answer that to students. Yes, I am a teacher. And for them, like, sometimes then they'll say, "Well, what do you teach?" Well, okay, so I don't teach any particular classes, and I don't have my own students, but in my building, I absolutely am still a teacher. I still co-teach classes and lessons with teachers. I have the opportunity in some cases that I work with them so often, I am building relationships with students in those classes still. For me, I still have students who are in classes that I helped in a coaching situation who just latched onto me for whatever reason, and they still will come visit me every day. I have a round of students throughout the day who will drop in and say hello, who will let me know what's going on in their lives, that sort of thing. And not being a classroom teacher, my heart really missed having students. That's a tough adjustment. And so the idea of getting to still have students in that sense, I really love that. So again, it might be stupid for everybody else, but for me, that question of, "Are you a teacher?" made me panic a little bit, and I never knew how to answer that. But if you're struggling with that, please have full confidence that it is absolutely okay to say, yes, I am a teacher. And as an additional follow-up, there were times where I would say, "Yeah, I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher for teachers." Okay, I don't like that. I don't say that anymore. I instead say now, I am a teacher who gets to work with other teachers. I don't like the idea of being a teacher for teachers or a teacher of teachers, because the work that I do is with the teachers. We're learning together. Like, I don't know, that's not something I would be comfortable with saying in front of a teacher. So why would I say that somewhere else? Just an additional little bonus thought today.